up?
Let's get those tuna. Let's go.
Get out there.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Hey, big one. Hold on. Stop. What? What? Big one fish. Yeah. Right. Fishing on. Fish on. Maybe it's killed, bro. I took a couple of little fucking head cakes up there. That's we got stuff. You guys aren't stuck right now. It doesn't matter. I think going under though. Yeah, that's why I was like checking, bro, because that thing went under. Yeah, that thing went under, bro. It's probably wrapped. There he is. You never know. We catch him out here on the side of our bonita. Oh!
Oh shit! What's it?
That was your fish, bro!
I thought it was stuck. He said it was stuck.
Why's it going up so fast? What is it, bro? The little tuna? Yeah. Bring him the whole thing. Yeah.
Oh, bonito. Oh, good. Hell yeah.
He's a fucking giant.
I did.
Shit. Dude, I've never seen a fucking bonito this big. That's a big one, dude. Mexican bonito. Right? Yeah.
Need pliers?
They get big in Mexico. Look at my shit. Maybe all those marks are fucking bonitos. Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, give me a picture.
Woo! Good shit, guys.
You guys want to take a picture with it?
Nah, that's cool. Nice.
God damn.
So I thought that's why the
I
line.
didn't think it was going to get big.
Because I felt it went like really fast. Yeah.
The line out.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Just keep us on that path. Harry, where you at? Oh, there you go. Oh, got it. Right there.
Oh shit! I saw a splash.
Get neutral, or you want to get going?
You do it?
Neutral? Oh, that's strong.
You want to get it or you want to get it?
Yeah, neutral. Here, you go get it, dude. Go. Yeah, go slow. Like 2 miles an hour. Pull, bro, pull. Real. Try not to tug too much.
Okay. No, this is heavy though. I think it's bonito. Yeah.
Same one, man. Imagine it's the same one.
Oh shit, let's go. Hell yeah.
Damn.
Let's go. Thank you. Oh shit, dude. It's hot.
Alright, you're good, Joey. Everything. The other one.
You have the other one?
No, right here. Come here, bro.
No, I don't.
Here. Pop it out. Yeah, pop it out low gear. Anything? But you're slow. Something small, huh? Bonito? I don't feel it anymore. It's gotta be on, yeah, dude. Yeah, it's bonito for sure. That same thing that happened last time.
Nothing left. Oh, baby boy.
Grab bonito. Yep. Yep, they got it.
Oh shit, dude. He was swimming towards the boat. How big is that thing, dude? 15 pounds?
These spreader bars are very effective for bonitos. Hey, we're last time on the tuna.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get going again.
It's a big ass fucking bone. Good picture.
Yeah.
Jason!
I have to eat that?
Yeah!
You should eat it.
I was kind of down.
Hell no! Let's take it to the front.
Yeah.
Hey, that would be pretty chill. Huh?
Chill.
What?
Big calico bass.
Get one of these out.
Oh, yeah. Right now it's perfect. Oh, shit. How many?
Look, those over there. Those were tuna. Football tuna. Okay. Right over here.
Oh, they're all right there. Look, over there.
Oh, yeah.
How big are they?
They're like 20, 30 pounds.
Oh, yeah. See them all the way?
We're marking. How's it feeling, Jerry?
Like a baby.
Like a baby? Hey man, it's the right fish though.
Still good eating.
Oh. Loosen up the drag a little bit.
It's like 40 pound right here.
The bend on that rod. What you thinking over here, Jason?
I think it's a big calico bass.
Fucking battery, keep buying your shit.
We'll catch the tuna. Jason will catch the bonito.
Yeah.
Are you close?
Color, where's the gap at? You want me to gap it or?
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, let's go.
This one? I'll get this one.
Oh shit. Hey, let's go. Woo! Oh shit, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
That's dinner right there. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's get back out there.
Look at that. You're fucking... Where are you headed?
Hey, look. Hang on. Foamers, right? Foamers. Grab something, bro. Ready?
Yeah, dude. That fucking spread bar was good, man.
Is that a tangle? Your hat?
Jason, jump on.
Oh shit. Is it not tangled or?
No, I think it's fine. Oh, you're on right here.
Oh shit.
Let me make sure the drag is good.
Alright.
Oh, you're good.
Did I leave it in the rod holder?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Crank. Let's go! We got a double hookup, baby! We got Danny over here on the left side.
What's up?
How you doing over there, man? Good. Jason over here on the right side.
Hey, subscribe to Catch Fish Stop.
Let's go, baby. This is Jason's first bluefin. He's been nailing the fucking bonitos all day, man. We officially branded him the Bonito King.
Had to change it up.
Let's go, baby. We got Tuna coming home. We already got one on the deck. You guys good right now? Let's go. We got fish under the boat between 50 and 100 feet. Here we go. He's coming. Yeah. Don't put it at full strike though. Yeah, check his drag just in case he wants to make a run when he gets to the boat. Let him run if he needs to. Damn, tuna time, baby, tuna time. Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's getting closer. We're fighting a double right now. We're fighting a double. Let's go, baby. Put Jason on the other side.
There you go. You feel him now?
Put Jason on the other side.
Other side?
Yeah, go to the other side. He'll give you the rod. There we go. Perfect. Oh! Get the gaff ready, Jerry. Check their drag. Check their drags. Check their drags.
I think you're gonna be over here.
Yeah.
Switch over here and grab. Look at that shit. What the hell just dropped?
Damn. That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it.
Bigger boat!
Hell yeah!
Look at that shark! Big ass shark!
Oh, we got a shark on the side of the boat.
Get that tuna up here, hurry! He's gonna eat our fucking... Oh, he's coming!
Oh shit, dude! No fucking way!
Oh, he's right there.
Oh shit! Throw some chump! Throw some chump!
Color.
Hey, color over here! Color! Jerry, color!
Right here too, bro? Where you at? Come over here.
I got you!
Hey, don't forget about the shark. Oh shit, shark coming. You ready? Shark's gone. He's coming. Hold on. Get him. Bring him, push him. Pull. Grab this pipe.
Let's go! Woo! Where's Bluefin?
Hell yeah.
Holy shit!
There you go. Oh!
Yeah! Let's go!
I was worried about that first shark, bro. I was worried about you losing your fish.
He's right there.
No food for him.
Shark right there.
Hey,
Dude, I haven't seen him.
Yeah, let's get back out there.
Oh no.
Let's get back out there, guys. We'll celebrate after we catch another one.
Good shit, Danny. Double up.
All right. Let's get it, baby. Hell yeah. Let's get some more.
Right.
That's 3. We need 3 more. Shit. 3 more.
Get ready to get one out. Good job, dude.
Thanks, Captain. Let's go. Sergio's on one.
Let's go, baby. Tuna time, baby. We are on them. Look at those head shakes. Oh, baby. Hey, give me my sunglasses, Jerry. Fuck this sun. That was that. Oh, kid. Killing it out here. Hey, Danny. Look what you're missing, bro. Fucking killing it out here.
Not you, different Danny.
The other Danny. And Carlos. Damn. It's fucked up, huh, Carlos? This was supposed to be your trip.
Hey, if Carlos would have came though, you wouldn't have caught shit. That was bad luck.
Damn, dude, this shit's fun. This shit's fucking addicting. Look at the marks. Show them the marks, Jason. Show them
Show
the
the marks. There's freaking foamers all over the boat. We're zooming in.
Look at all the boats out there,
birds over
guys.
here. I'm not joking.
We are out here alone. Nobody wants to catch tuna.
Yeah.
Sergio hurries up, we go get another one.
Hey, dude, I'm trying to have some fun, man. This is the first one I fight. You guys been hogging all the fun. Tuna King right here. I mean the
Bonito King.
Bonito King, catching all the bonito.
It's actually quite amazing how he hooks up.
That's
5
crazy,
or
bro.
something.
Epic trip already, dude. Fucking losing my voice. Dude, this fucking rod right here is good luck.
Oh, he's moving.
Oh, color. Get
Yeah.
the guy! Get the guy!
Bring it up to your leader, then start walking back.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Give him a circle right here.
Let's go, baby.
One over here. There you go, turn him. Same size, dude. Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Here he is.
Hold on.
They start walking back.
Now you can take him later.
Here it comes.
Oh shit.
Come up now.
See ya.
Hold up. Ready? No. Ah, shit. It's fucking strong. I'm gonna pull him right now. Hold on. Next circle. Shit, bro. Give up. Give up already. I don't want to tighten it too much because
You try walking back a bit.
ready? Right to you.
No.
Yeah! Woo! Nice! Let's go, baby!
Hey, let's go.
Bar's back out there. Nice. Damn, that was fucking fun, bro.
Let's go.
That's a good
That's a good picture.
Jerry. 1, 2, and... Hold on. Okay.
Jason's first bluefin tuna. On the double hookup. That shit is still throbbing.
I regret that.